Okay, up for sale today, we have a Becker Grand Prix radio. Probably something found in early 70s German cars, probably BMW or Mercedes, something like that. As you can see, it's LMKUU, so I think that actually makes it somewhat of a foreign model, but maybe not. I'm not super hot on these. I actually got this in a lot of two. We actually have the one that I actually wanted here, which is the Blaupunkt. I wanted this for a little microcar I've got. I much prefer the white knobs, so as I said, we're getting rid of the Grand Prix, so my loss is your game. I do actually collect transistor radio, so I actually have a transistor radio analyst over here, and we're going to hook this up just to show that this still works. At least it worked as far as getting the U and K channel. So let's start. So if you've ever seen on one of these, this is actually going to supply voltage. So at the moment I've got it 150 milliamps. It's supplying a voltage through to the radio. So positive, negative's hooked up to the chassis. Coming out the back, all I've got is two going to this old speaker over here in the corner, and that's hooked up here, obviously. And then we've got one of these little hidden aerials that you can buy to stick behind your dash if you want to, just so we've got something to supply a aerial signal. So let me just switch the Becker on. Okay, and it's not on because the negative ground fell off. Let's plug that back on. Oh, it's a wee bit loud. I don't know if you can see analyst there. This actually shows how much power draw is actually going on at the moment. So obviously the more I give it, you can see it's actually drawing a fair amount of power. But that's this one here, I believe. Oh no, so let's just tune that around and just turn it up a little bit. Let's see, we can go through the dial.
Gary.
All the buttons will actually do something, even though there's station tuned in, but...
Your ticket's called.
Okay, let's just do that. Let's do M.
Look for victims of that sunken...
L. Long wave. I don't think there's actually anything on long wave these days, but we can try tuning through the dial. I can't actually see anything, but let's go back to U. And we'll tune that into a station. Now you can see we've got tone control here. I don't know if you heard that. Tone control. You can hear more. Let's just get a better signal.
4 inches. He's a junior from Danville, California, which is a town east of...
So up, tone, down tone, all the way down. That seems to work. I honestly don't know what this one does, but there's 3 click positions here. I don't know what that does. If you're a Becker expert, you'll know what it does. Same with this bar. I can press it, and you can hear it does something, but I haven't got a clue what that actually does, to be honest. I can hear the radio ticking away and doing something. But not being a Becker radio collector, I'm not sure what that does. You see, switch off, you've got power draw, back on, works straight away. I think that's about it. All the knobs are relatively, well, you can see all the knobs are clean. These could really do a little bit of cleanup. They're slightly yellow and a little bit of alignment. They're not quite level, almost level. That's about it. The chassis is pretty clean, as you can see. No rust as such. And it's still got the Becker Grand Prix G26426 on it, 12 volt with AFC. So I guess it has automatic frequency control. That's about it. Okay, thanks.